Welcome everybody to this recorded webinar on Excel Lambda functions and understanding the potential that they offer. My name is Alan Murray. This webinar will be going on for around about 60 minutes. First, just as a quick introduction to me, in a nutshell, just bringing up all of these bullet points, I spend my days talking about Excel and have performed various kind of seminars and classroom training and written books, etc. So hopefully we'll be in good company and you'll enjoy Lambda functions as much as I do. Now, the aims over these next 60 minutes is to start off with a quick definition of what Lambda functions are, and why should we care. And then we'll support that with a simple example. What we believe will be a simple example of what they can do. And this will get us understanding the process of how we write and how we use these Lambda functions. We'll then look at how we can use and also share this Lambda function. In fact, I think I've got one more bullet point there for sharing, so that we can share these Lambdas with others and we can use them ourselves on the Excel grid, just like we use any other function, whether that be a sum or a VLOOKUP or whatever. We'll then go into a more advanced example of Lambda just to push it a little bit further, and that would include some optional arguments. If you're not clear on what any of these things are, we will do over the next 60 minutes or so, but it will just be a Lambda that offers a little bit more. We'll also see how we can use one Lambda function inside another. So without any more talking on that, getting through the final little bit more theory before we get our hands on Excel. What is a Lambda? Well, a Lambda function is